Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Amanda Callahan. I'm joined by attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. John, thanks for joining us today.
Always my pleasure. Thank you.
And our question today comes from Veronica C. She wrote, Attorney Haymond, my daughter was rear-ended by a truck on the Mass Pike and she is in the midst of a long recovery. I'm starting to think about how lucky she was and how are we going to be able to afford all the medical bills? Please help.
Well, Veronica, I'm very, very sorry to hear about your daughter's unfortunate accident. And one of the benefits is that she's young. My experience is that the younger you are, the better able you are to recuperate in a very timely fashion. In this situation, number one, you have on your car in Massachusetts what's called PIP coverage, and that means personal injury protection, which covers the first $8,000 worth of medical bills as a result of an auto accident. Number two, any medical bills thereafter are to be paid by your private health insurance. So I hope you have private health insurance. However, in the event you don't have private health insurance, number one, you may be eligible for what's called Mass Health. And Mass Health is going to cover all your medical bills. Now you have to go to the town, social services, and see if you qualify. Let's assume you don't qualify. One of the benefits of dealing with the Haymond Law Firm is that we have dealt with hundreds of doctors in the Western Massachusetts area for over 40 years. And we've developed very special relationships. So we'll be able to find you a doctor who's willing to treat your daughter and wait to get paid till the case is resolved. That's called treating on what's called a letter of protection. Very few law firms are in a position to provide this for their clients, but I can assure you we will be able to do that. So don't worry about the medical bills getting paid. We'll take care of that, we'll guide you through it, and we'll make sure your daughter is very well protected.
Yes, certainly wishing her a speedy recovery. John, thank you.
My pleasure.
Now, if you have a question to ask the attorney, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or visit HaymondLaw.com.